In this ukulele review, we're going to go over the Ohana TK-75CG. This is a limited edition. And by the way, it sounds and plays as cool as it looks with a solid spruce top and a solid flame maple back and sides. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. And if you're new to the channel, we do ukulele, guitar lele, and baritone reviews and tutorials right here. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. So I was doing these the other day, putting these up on my store, doing some photos for them. And right when I got it out, it was like obvious, like, yes, this thing, it just looks amazing. And of course, it plays and sounds as amazing as it looks. So I was really excited to do this video right here. And if you're interested in this, the TK-75CG, this one is available at my online store. That's the #1 online store for your ukulele needs, store.ukelikethepros.com. This also does come in a concert model as well. So anyway, we're gonna do some playing, and I'm gonna go over all the important specs that you need to know about this model. But let's dive into something here. Anytime I see this combination of the spruce top with the flame maple sides and back, it reminds me of my favorite Gibson Jumbo size, the Sj-200. These things are amazing and my favorite. So anytime I see stuff like this, I just love the looks of this. And Ohana did actually a fantastic job with this instrument. So if you can see, you got the beautiful solid spruce top, just nice and clean piece of solid spruce top. You do have the Florentine cutaway, which I think just really adds to the look of this thing. Besides giving you some access to the higher frets, just adds to the great look of it, as well as the abalone all the way around the edges here, and also the abalone around the rosette. So just that right there, just looking at it, it just has that feel of that custom ukulele. Now, when you get to the sides, it's really cool. You got this flame maple, which I just love. I love this flame maple. You got it on both sides. By the way, this is all solid wood. All solid wood, the flame maple. You do see the binding here, the mahogany binding, as well as on the back here, you got the abalone right down the center and also all around the edges. So just a really stunning instrument when you look at it. And by the way, Ohana is fantastic. I mean, just such a great company. I probably speak to them almost every day, and just great people, great with customer service, great with refunds, any kind of issues you have, they'll take care of you. So really a great company, and they're building some really great instruments as well. So, all right, let me do a little playing. We'll get to the specs like the nut width, the scale lengths, and all that kind of stuff. So just so you know, this wood combination is going to give you a big, bright sound. Okay, so you got the spruce top. Spruce tops are known to really give you a lot of projection, a little bit of that nice shimmery top end, as well as the flame maple. So this combination, if you're looking for a real bassy low instrument, this is not it. This one's going to be one that is going to cut through the mix. It's going to provide just nice clarity in the sound. This does come with a high G. If you want to put a low G on it, that's going to give you a little bit more of that bass sound. All right, you have a solid mahogany neck here. You got the gold tuners, pretty fancy. You got the really nice rosette that continues up here. Is on this mahogany head plate. Really nice Ohana symbol there. The nut width. So this is really important because it's just slightly under 1.5 inches. So they have it listed as 1 7/16, so just under 1.5 inches. But what I've noticed about this neck is it's pretty wide. It feels pretty wide, even though It's not quite 1.5 inches, but also the strings, if you can see the strings, they actually come almost to the edge here of the nut. So that really helps because some people, I get a lot of emails and stuff about people asking about that. You do have a 17-inch scale length. That's a standard tenor scale length. And you have the bone nut and saddle as well with just a nice hardwood fretboard here. So anyway, like I said, fantastic instrument. You can just feel it. It's a solid instrument. And obviously by the way it looks, it's just a stunning instrument. So anyway, this thing is the Ohana TK-75CG. It is available at store.ukelikethepros.com. Also, again, this comes in a tenor model. Let me take you out with a little finger picking here. All right, so anyway, this is a really cool instrument. You're gonna love adding this to your collection. The Ohana TK-75CG. This is a tenor. It does come in concert, and you can get it at one place, store.ukelikethepros.com.